Today's project, tearing down the kitchen. We're gonna reuse as much as we can over in the barn next door for the workshop and stuff, and I'm gonna use most of it for a temporary kitchen while we do the renovation. So I need to be a little bit gentle. No hammers today, probably. More screwdrivers and maybe a bit of crowbar. So let's get going. So, halfway done with the kitchen. I've got all the upper and lower cupboards over here done. I got the refrigerator out and the oven as well. And I'm gonna start over here where there's a tabletop. I need to disconnect some water for the sink and the dishwasher and get the dishwasher out of the way. And then get the tabletop off, and I think we're pretty good to go from there. So, get going. So I've got the cold water shut off, but the hot water is like stuck. So I'm just trying to figure out what to do from here. Maybe I need to close off the main water valve, get this detached and plug it, and then turn on the water again. But I have a plumber coming in a couple of hours, so maybe he can help me out. All right, sit back. Let's make it work. So I actually fixed it, but this is not at all the tool that fits in one of these, but a lot of TLC and a bit of hammering, and I got it shut off, so no water coming out. Perfect. Let's get on. Kitchen done. I got it all out. I don't have water all over the place, which is nice. Next step is gonna be the bathroom. I'm gonna tear out everything except for the toilet because I hope to use that as long as I can to avoid having to rent a toilet cart for longer than utmost necessary. So let's get going on the bathroom. So this is the end of the teardown in the bathroom for today. I've got an electrical outlet I cannot disconnect because the washer is on and I need to turn off the power. And I'm gonna leave in the sink because I need to be able to wash my hands for as long as possible until I get a toilet cart outside. So that costs money. So as long as possible, I'm gonna keep all this, the toilet and the plumbing going in here. And yeah, then we're gonna get a toilet cart when we need to tear all this down. But for now, we'll stop here. So what I'm planning to do now is drain the heating system of all the water, so I can start taking down these radiant heaters and get them out of the way so that we can get ready to tear this whole place apart. So I wanted to put a water hose down here but the thread is a different size than the adapter for a water hose I have, so now I'm just gonna try and see, because the plumber told me that there's not very much water in the system. He could see that the pressure was low. So I'll just try with a bucket to begin with, and if I fail completely, then we'll figure it out from there. Maybe that was a little bit less water than even I expected. Half a bucket, so yeah. I'll empty this out and see if there's another place we can drain. Yeah, same story. Almost completely empty. So, I got out some more water by pulling out the thermostat. Of course, there's a vacuum inside the radiator, the water won't come out. So now she's draining nice and slow. That was interesting. If you're gonna be dumb, you gotta be tough. Yuck. That's why you always keep 2 hands on your angle grinder. Holy dang. That was not very nice. So what was just a totally normal work day in the house just turned a little bit different. I just had a client of mine call me up and ask me if I could help him out. One of his guys got sick and couldn't leave for a job in Barcelona, which starts tomorrow. So he was like, when can you be on a plane to Barcelona? So the house will have to wait. I'm gonna fly out and do some work. I'm gonna be out until Tuesday, so this video will be a bit delayed, but sorry guys, that's how it is sometimes. See you!